Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So on this tutorial today, I'm going to be telling you 5 most important things to remember when pricing your cakes so you won't end up frustrating yourself with your own prices. Number 1, value your time. Yes, you're a cake decorator. Just like a banker would go work and get paid for their time. Pay yourself for the time you spend on your cake. You deserve to get paid. Number 2, how long does a cake take to make a particular design? And when I mean like how long, I mean from decorating to like baking to mixing, like every single step of the way. Decide how much it takes to do that. Number 3, the cost of ingredient. Like how much does it take to buy every single thing you need, including salt? That might sound ridiculous, but guys, it adds up, including salt and tiny things like baking powder. Number 4, charge hourly rates. Like if a cake is going to take you 2 hours to make, 2 hours to decorate, then it's going to take you 4 hours. Basically, charge hourly rate and pay yourself accordingly. That way you won't be frustrated by the prices that you set by yourself. So thank you guys, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.